Well, the good news is the Route 3 does not look like we're going to combine with the trails that I'm take down on the Zugerberg hike. And this is pretty neat here. We've come down and we're passing on through. We got a trail runner coming our way. But if you spin forward, this is just such a gorgeous, and I'm pretty sure we're looking at Pilatus, Lake Zug. So Lucerne would be right over the hill in front of us. I'll turn off. It's nice to have a nice sunny day. All right, look at us overlooking Zug. Lake Zug. Pilatus behind here is going to be Riggy. I prematurely earlier spotted Pilatus. Riggy is usually this close. That's very close. The air is so clear. I mean, you can see all the mountains behind. Just a gorgeous day, and I got confused. So we'll keep looking over there. Let's see. Oh, there it is. Okay. Well, that is a lot closer. Yeah, okay, that is Ricky coming up. Oh, I thought we were going to come around the bend a little bit farther than we did. We're still coming into Old Town. Wow, look at those mountains. Okay, this is the view. Sorry about the crane, nothing I can do about that. Hey, thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe to Swiss Cheese Trails so you can get 360-degree video every day. We are ending our 9th stage of the panoramic trail in the town of Zug. We'll do some Zug photos, video in the future. So thanks for tuning in. Got another hike coming up.